Hey everybody, welcome back to H&H TV. We're over here building B, working on the 57 shop car right now. I want to talk to you a little bit about the LED tail lights, LED lenses that we sell, sometimes also some mirrors that have the LED turn signal. All those come from a company called United Pacific. United Pacific is the best quality one that's out there. There is some other manufacturers. It's the one we choose to handle. Big reason we do, they have a lifetime warranty on all of the lens. That's on discoloration, the LEDs, if they ever stop. All you got to do is shoot them a picture of it and a copy of your receipt. Boom, they replace it at no charge to you. That's regardless if it's a 57, working on a Nova, Camaro, whatever. So excellent quality product, that, and we also like the way that you attach these lenses. Obviously, screw holes, all that's identical, just like your factory is. But the way they use to attach it, other than the 1956 lens, works just like an 1157 bulb or an 1156 if you're using a backup. Still got the contact. All of them have a slot in there that you use with a screwdriver to get that in. The lens itself, and I have not been smart enough to get all of the screws undone. And for those of you who are watching, we have a bit of a guest audience today. We have the Fall Foliage Tour that's here. And this one's already been put in, so you can see what that's like. Still using all the stock gasket. All of it is a composite lens. And we've rigged up here just for us to be able to see. If I can get someone to step on a brake pedal for me. Anybody, volunteer? I promise I'm not going to pull a pigeon out of my, out of anything. And so you see that? There's the stock. And Herman did not get this back in there all the way. So we are embarrassed. Go ahead and let off on that. There we go. Slotted screwdriver is all you got to have to put one of these in. The earlier generation of this, you did not. That's literally how easy it is to do that. Put her back on, you're done. Good product. We've got these available for Tri-5s. You got them for trucks, Nova, Chevelle, Camaros. They're working on some other new lenses that are about to come out that I can't talk about just yet. They've also, back on our display, you can see we've got some flashing ones that are in some of our mirrors. They've got a couple of new mirrors that are on the way as well. These are a great product. I'm a firm believer. The first generation of LED lights that you saw that were out there had to be hardwired in, and they were just a board. So you use the lens. They were real susceptible to water problems there. Once United Pacific brought this out and they made it a complete composite where it's, this is sealed in, done, and again, lifetime warranty on this one, on discoloration of the lens as well as on the LEDs, all the electronics. You can get these here at H&H. Got them available on the website, either that or call in and talk to one of our customer service guys, and they'll get you taken care of. So we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you right back on the next episode of H&H TV.